talk about briefly the current numbers of asylum seekers and Syrian refugees in Turkey. Here in this chart, you see the number of Syrian refugees, the increasing number of Syrian refugees starting from 2011. Right now, this chart is based on the numbers adopted from 7th of June this year. So currently 3,589,000 people registered in the temporary protection in Turkey. This is for Syrians. When we look at the protection system, Turkey is currently hosting the biggest refugee population in the world, which consists of 3.5 million, more than 3.5 million Syrian refugees and more than 350,000 asylum seekers from other nationalities. And this new civil institution, DGMM, has the responsibility over these international protection and temporary protection applications.